Hey guys, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can create a system image backup in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So the very first thing we need to do is to plug in the hard drive or a DVD drive in our devices. So it's very important to make a create a system image backup so that we will be relieved with the important files, or we don't have to worry with the important files that we have in our devices because we already have a backup for those files. Okay, so to do that, all we need to do is just to go to the control panel, and we can do that by simply making a search here in the Windows search tab, control panel. So if you type on control, you will see under best match a control panel, and the next thing we need to do is to go to, so let's just open this one, and then once it is now open, just go to the view by options. You will see here the large icons or category or small icons. So please click on this large icons option here, and you will see this kind of window, and it will be very easy for you to see the options here. So the next thing we need to do is to go to the file history. That is the third option. So please click on that once you found it. And then once you click on that, you will see here the keep a history of your files option. And once you're in here, all you need to do is just to go to system image backup, and you will see it at the very bottom part of the left pane. So you will see the system image backup here. So it's below recovery. So once you see it, please click on that. And then once you click on that, you will see here at the left pane the create a system image and the create a system repair disk. So please choose the first option, create the system image. Here we can backup or restore our files. Please click on that. And once you do that, you will see this window coming up. So you will be asked, where do you want to save the backup? So let's just wait for this loading window to be done. So as you can see here, we have three options. We have on a hard disk, on one or more DVDs, and on a network location. So you can either choose one from the three, and you can choose also the drive that you want to be selected on the same physical disk that is being backed up. So if this disk fails, you will lose your backup. So just choose the drive that you want to be backed up, and then also, or you just choose the files that you want to put the backup, and you can also choose the one or more DVDs, or you can also choose the network location. Okay, so once you have chosen, just click on this circle button here, and then if you see that this is now already in blue color, just click on this next here, and then it will take some time, maybe 1 to 3 hours. So I suggest that you do this during nighttime or during the time that you don't have to work with your laptop or devices. Okay, so please also make sure that your hard drive or DVD drives have enough space for the backup. So once done, you can now save, or you have now the backup in your hard drive. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.